some wheelies.
Alright, we're back with another episode of Average Joes. Today I'm off to Caleb's house. He has a new car that he's buying, which is actually awesome. I'm so pumped for this build. So there is a chance that the 79 is going to be up for sale soon. So if you're interested in buying that, send us a comment or DM. It's a weapon vehicle. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. He wants something a bit bigger, so you'll have to wait and see for when that comes. That's pretty cool. Still keeping it in the Average Joe arena. It's not a new car. It's cheaper than his 79. So yeah, don't get all like, oh, they're buying. We don't have money for new cars, mate. All right, so you bloody chill in the comments. All right. Gonna get a ride in today. Just so you know, I'm a terrible motorbike rider. I am so bad. Awkward as. Caleb can do backflips. I am lucky to ride up a 15% incline without falling on my ass. So yeah, I've always enjoyed it. I've always wanted a bike, so I'm gonna get a ride in today. Caleb has a tabletop at his house that he's built, so I'm gonna try and jump that, and yeah, we'll see what else we get up to.
Here he is. Yeah, boy. Oh, that is a good coffee. Yeah, windscreen, because then it's diverse. Yeah, no matter which car we get in. What do you want? You tell us what you guys want. Is this what you want? Let us know. Let us know below.
Yeah.
Pumped about the new car. Pumped to show you guys what it is. We'll know in a few weeks, maybe months. Could be months. I hope not.
Yeah.
But I said, that's great, but at a minimum, rims and tyres, new mirrors, and tidy it up. Like just a very basic, just so it's neat enough.
Like a spray job.
Yeah, just a full repaint.
Let's go, baby. If Jess is watching this, I'm eating my pre-packed lunch.
Pre-packed, homemade, coffees from home.
This was so long ago.
So, I shouted, but you also shouted, so, hey.
Have you seen that meme? The Pentagon just called. The towers just got hit. It's like...
No, I haven't seen it, sorry.
Let's go, baby!
Whoa, bumpy through here. Let's do some wheelies. Lucky I didn't follow him closely. You alright?
Why can't I do this?
Who's your mum's your dad?
See there?
Yeah.
Don't recommend.
Is that what you're blaming?
Yeah.
Fair enough. No, it was definitely that hill thing that did it. I was almost going to send it right behind you and I was like, yeah, maybe not. This is feeling hot. No leaks. That's good. Do you want some help? Are you in neutral?
No, it's not.
It's good practice for you. Oh yeah, nice. Big recovery, Joe. Perfect. Yeah, he's done it. Oh no! Quick before he sees that I stopped it as well. Oh, we can run it over here. Yeah, sure. Oh, wow! I did not think that would happen. Let's try that again. That's better. Oh, that's so funny. Very nice. How's the tail light? They're still holding on. If he gets pulled up, you can't say he doesn't have tail lights on. This is just so fun. It just works so well. Let's try a different line here. Let's go up here. Oh yeah. He loves the flow. This is his rhythm line. Make us proud, baby. Oh yes, nailed it. Yeah, baby.
Getting a bit more just... I just that hill climb, I don't know what happened. I'm feeling a bit more flowy though.
Yeah, I definitely haven't crashed on that hill climb today, so it's just you. You're all alone. Yep, definitely didn't crash right behind you.
Actually, I don't believe it.
Nah, it won't look like anything on the camera because I saved it, but
Feeling...
because the GoPro's right here,
Yeah.
so like I went to look up
Oh yeah.
and it blocked that tree. It turned right into the tree.
So the GoPro did it.
Yeah, pretty much. Right, the GoPro's my stick.
That's sticking.
Joe's learning how to jump. He's doing so good. Here he goes. Oh yeah! Flying high in the sky. Joey, that's what they call him. He's getting there. Oh yes! Time for some coaching, folks. Let's watch him do a hill start. Oh yes! Perfectly executed, Joe. Ew. Look at that beauty. Yeah, boy. Oh, way better. I think he's hitting this little hole here. Just nose diving. Not ideal.
Caleb's turn. Oh, I actually cannot believe I just did my first jump. It was tiny, but it feels so good to do something out of your depth. Holy smokes. Enough of my amateurness. Caleb's gonna do some stuff now. What a freaking show off, eh? Oh my days, mate. Be lucky if I got like 10 centimeters off the ground. Freaking hell. There he comes. Whee! Righto, champion. Must be nice. Alright, here we go. So good.
Thanks heaps for watching, guys. Have a great week. We'll see you next time. You!